The red light, they got the red light though. The people saying they say I want some more. Talking about the way you act that light. The people talking about the dead red light, the red light, the red light. That everybody, do you feel alright? The red light, the red light. That everybody, do you feel alright? I said the people's over there, they going to that light. But when they going just to have some fun. The red light that's over there, you where you spend your money, but still you go and have your fun. It depends where you go, the way you act that light. The summer people hanging with everyone. We talk about the other people up at the red light. The air you wanna go and have your fun. The red light, the red light. The everybody, do you want the red light? The red light, the red light. The everybody, do you want the red light? The red light, the red light. Talk about it, do you want the red light? The red light, the red light. I'm talking about you at the red light. I see so many things up at the red light, but still I'm not gonna tell it no. I see so many people over there, and I wanna go and see some more. So people's over there, they yes at that show, and they're showing their skin for show. The when they over there, they at the red light today, they're gonna have some fun for sure. The red light, the red light. Saying the people wanna go to the light. Hey, the red light, the red light. The summer people wanna dance all night. The red light, the red light. I seen people over there at the light. The red light, the red light. Some people's over there at the light. Oh, when I've been at the red light all night, they saying that my body drained. Saying the people's over there, they just at the red light. The summer people just acting strange. Saying they want to do this and they doing that. The when they doing it, they're just to you. Because they up at the red light, they're having fun, and they say you can join it too. The red light, the red light. Some people having fun at the light. Hey, the red light, the red light. The summer people having fun at the light. The red light, the red light. There's some people's over there at the light. The red light, the red light. They send the other people going at night. I send the red light is all day long. It's in the day. It also open up at night. That if you wanna go and get your freak on today, some people wanna say alright. So some people saying the 90s, some are feeling better when they got that good red light. They could do it in the home with their family. That's why they just got the red light. The red light, the red light. The summer people's over there at the light. The red light, the red light. There's some people getting freaky at night. Hey, the red light, the red light. begin to freak at night. The red light, the red light. Begin to see you over there at the light. The red light, the red